Once again, it's time for Larry and Phyllis. As we join them today, we find Larry making a strange noise.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh, Larry, what's that you're doing?
You mean this?
Oh.
Hmm?
That's singing, Phyllis.
Oh, you're singing.
It may not sound very good to you, but that's the best I can do when I go.
Oh.
That sounds good.
You think that sounds good?
It sounds good to me. I'm not a very good singer myself. All I can do is beep, 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 beep.
That's all you can do?
You're laughing at me.
Oh, no, I would never. A fella who can only go,
Oh.
would never laugh at a thing like that.
Really, you wouldn't laugh at beep, 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 beep.
I wouldn't laugh at that. Hey, you know what? Since I can only go,
Oh.
and you can only go,
Beep, beep.
maybe if we did it together, it wouldn't sound quite so funny.
Oh.
What do you think?
Okay.
If we did it together,
Maybe if we...
it would be...
We would... It would be...
Cooperate. Oh, cooperate.
Cooperate.
That's what it would be if we did it together. Let's try it.
Okay.